So today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on backup UPS. I've got an APC model ES350 and I've ordered a battery from ReplaceUPSBattery.com. And what I did to figure out which battery, somebody on Amazon had given me a link to plug in my model number and figure out which battery I needed to order. So what you do is you flip over the UPS unit, and on the back there's a sticker in the bottom corner that tells you which model. This one is a BE350G. So you plug that in and it tells you that you need a APC number 35. So when you get ready to replace it, once the new battery has come, you go ahead and make sure that you're unplugged. And you've got the unit flipped over. There's a little tab on the back that you press down and in, and then the trap door slides open. You pull the door off, and inside is the old battery that has been giving off a terrible beeping sound, so that you know it's time to buy a new one. And you just kind of tip the unit so that the battery slides out. It's connected by two terminals, a red and a black. And those terminals just slide out and off of the prongs on the old battery. You set the old battery aside to recycle it. You get the fresh battery that you ordered from ReplaceUPSBattery.com, and you simply slide the terminals back onto the prongs on the new battery. Make sure they're firmly seated, and slide that back into the UPS unit. Make sure the wires are inside so that they don't get caught on the door when you slide that back on. And there are little grooves on the door for the battery, so make sure that you line those up. And then the door should slide right back on. And then you are ready to plug back in and have the UPS surge protector functioning again. Thanks for watching.